Hey guys, Internet Web 2.0 tool or app that I'm going to show you about today is Quizzes. Um, Basically, you need to join for free, but it is a quiz website on just about anything that you can think of. Um, or you can also create a quiz yourself, but we'll look at the pre-made quizzes to start off with. So search for any topic that you want to. I'm going to type in internet safety since that's something that we kind of looked over this module. Once you type it in, it'll bring up all the pre-made quizzes that are on internet safety. It'll also give you kind of a, grade band, and it'll tell you how many times, somebody has used it or played with it. So let's just look at this one. So you'll click on it. It'll tell you how many questions, are on the quiz. So this one has 22 questions. One thing that you could do is you could play live. So if your kids have mobile devices or even laptops, iPads, you could host a game in your classroom. And so you would post this up on, your screen. The kids could join in by using a code. And then it would show, the question and on the board, and the kids could answer it, and it'll show like results as they're answering. So that's one way to have kids practice, this quiz. You could also hit solo practice. And you can also assign homework where the kids would have to do the quiz by a certain time. You can set whenever, if it's a content area that you've gone over and, they should know everything by Friday, then, you can set that as a Friday quiz that they could take. But they could take it on their own time. It'll let you put how many times they can take it, a timer, shuffle the questions. And then after that, you can come in and it creates reports for you. So obviously I have not done any quizzes with my students using this because it's brand new to me, but it will create data reports, and you can search your reports, which I feel like is, very useful information. Another component to this tool is you can create your own quiz over topics, and so you can assign that to your students. I feel like this is a great tool to use during this time with our digital learners and digital classrooms that we're having to set up. I look forward to using it in the future. It has so much information, so many useful quizzes, and it's a quick way, for you to assess your students after a lesson. You could assign a quiz quickly at, 2 or 3 questions and see, what needs to be retaught the next day, or if you can continue on with the content. So I look forward to using it in the future.